First of all, I will go to Google. Here's my Google. So I'll search for OBS. It says OBS Studio. So I'll go to OBS Studio, open it, home. See, it says Windows, Mac, and Linux. Since I have a window, I will click on it. It will take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. So now click on this. Since I already have it, it says update now, so I'm not gonna update, but your case is gonna say install. You are going to install it. Okay, once you have installed it, you will see this icon, OBS icon, on your desktop. Yeah, this is the icon. You double click on this, OBS is going to be open up. Now once you open it up, you will see scene, source, audio mixture, scene, transitions, controls. Controls is for streaming. You could stream it on Facebook or YouTube. Start recording. Studio mode. See what studio mode does. It makes two sides, two columns. On column, how it's going to show up, it's showing it to you. I'm going to get out of the studio mode. Settings, and there is a few settings, but default setting is okay. You could work with the default setting. Mostly I will not touch anything other than adding a scene. Okay, so since I'm recording on a scene, this scene here, display capture, I am going to open another scene. So in order to add a scene, you have to press plus sign and say OK. So it's scene number 3. You could make it test scene. How do you change the name? Click on it and it says rename it. I might say test. That's my test scene. And now the test scene does not have any source, so I will add a source. Once test scene is highlighted or selected, I would go to source and add the plus sign. By the way, on the source window, there are a lot of sources here. For example, window capture, video capture device, and display capture. Now we are going to, if you make videos using OBS, mostly what you are going to use is video capture device. That's your face, yourself, you're recording yourself. Window capture, if you want to have two windows, another window you want to write on it and you want to let somebody understand what you're writing as video capture device showing your face. And finally, display capture, whatever is displayed on the computer, it's going to record that. So this time I'm gonna go work on the video capture. Add video capture to my scene. video capture device. So let's see video capture device. Once I have it, it comes up. See, it shows me right away in there. So video capture device shows yourself. Now I'm recording it. This is how we're gonna record it. Here is a start recording button. You're gonna press on it. It's gonna start recording right away. Okay. If I want to add another source, I could do that. In that case, I will, with the test scene, I will add window capture. Now window capture, once you select it, it will show you what is open in here. This is Microsoft Edge is open, which I don't need it at this moment. 3 of them are open, all of them are Microsoft Edge. Well, I'll select it anyway, and now at this moment I'll stop it here. Before I show you anything, I'll go find another program. It's called SmoothDraw. SmoothDraw helps you to write. So let's go to internet, Google one more time, and SmoothDraw. I'll look for the SmoothDraw, download SmoothDraw. Download installer. I'll do that. Let's see. Yeah, that's much easier. Once I have the installer downloaded, I will open it up. It will ask for my permission. I'll give it my permission. I say yes, I accept. Next, install. Finished. So I'll close it, and my SmoothDraw is here. So I open SmoothDraw. Taking a second. Alright, SmoothDraw is open in here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my window capture, double click on window capture and see SmoothDraw is shown up. See, it comes up right away. So the put it here is my SmoothDraw. Once you move your picture around, you see this is underneath the SmoothDraw, the white board. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my picture, right click, and say order, move up. Okay, now it's up, and I'm going to place it at any corner I want to. Let's say place it on here and click on SmoothDraw and drag it as big as possible. I might make this smaller. I might also do a little trick in here, which is make that SmoothDraw even bigger, so that it only looks like that's you see. We need a little more in here. You gotta be patient with this because it takes time. See what really happened. Here is my video that I'm going to record, but here is the window is open. I cannot write on this platform. Let's make a little more adjustment. Okay, I cannot write on this platform, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to write on a SmoothDraw platform, and it's going to show up in here. So let's say I say hi. By the way, my pen is selected. Okay, see, it shows up there. If I write some math, say x squared minus 1 equals 0. Click on anywhere here. I actually have to, okay, I have to unselect everything, all the sources I have there. So now click on here, it says window projector. So I'll say a preview. So window projector preview, I'll click this off. I could see that preview anywhere. I could put it anywhere. That preview is going to be shown. That is the part is going to be recorded once you have your recording on. But I'm recording everything to show you how to do that. X minus 1. Let's finish this up. Though I'm not trying to teach math to anybody, but I'm showing you how to write using OBS and SmoothDraw at the same time. Looks like I'm writing on the board. You gotta be very careful. Look, I'm writing here, but then it went under my picture. So in this case, you gotta be a little more careful that where you're writing, it really does not go under your picture. If that happens, you could erase it. Where is my erase button? There should be an eraser. Okay, I'm clicking on this to find the eraser. No, here is my eraser. So I'll erase this. Well, it's not erasing that much. Soft eraser. Let's see. Click here to get the other eraser. Well, hard eraser. Let's see what happened. Hard eraser. Okay, this erases everything. See, it's technical things that these are technical things that we have to learn day by day. That's one way that's good, that I wrote it and the writing went under my picture, so I could show you how to use the eraser. Now go check the pen, and I'll write it from here so that it does not go under my picture. So x minus 1 and x plus 1. Those who know math, you know that we do factor x squared minus 1 like this, so that if we use FOIL and multiply this out, we'll get the same thing back. But if two factors, the product of two factors is 0, that means each factor could be 0. So x minus 1 is 0, and that means add 1 both sides, x is 1. And likewise, x plus 1 could be 0. So x plus 1 equals 0. So x could be -1. So the solution for this is +1 and -1. Okay, so when this part is recorded and you edit the recording and put it on your YouTube, or even you stream it, you could do live streaming. You could also use it on Google Meet, so student can see it that way. So I hope this helps you a lot. You could now be able to write or record using OBS. In the next video, I'll show you how to edit this video on a free platform, for example, Windows Movie Maker. That's also free. By the way, OBS, SmoothDraw, these are also free. You could work with it. You don't need to sign up for anything. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, press the like button or comment, or please subscribe my channel. Thank you.